God.
Whoa, it's bright. Welcome back to the channel. It is your host Rob with I-25 Kia. I'm in all my snow gear, including my snow pants, because we're gonna go on a snowy adventure today. I'm with my friend Carlos, and then we got the inner tube. We got the snow skate. You ready, Carlos?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. Oh, you're gonna fall.
I know I'm gonna fall.
You're definitely gonna fall.
Definitely fall.
So when was the last time you tubed down a hill, Carlos?
I think it was elementary school. Yeah, I was young.
I don't think I've tubed down a hill since I was like 12.
Well, today we become men.
We're at the best hill in all of Fort Collins. This is the hill at Fossil Creek. So the best way is this way. And don't worry about the obstacles because they've covered everything up with hay. So if you run into it, you're good. Look at that upbringing. Oh, that is gnarly. Dude, look how steep that thing is. All right, we're gonna hit this ramp. I guess somebody was snowboarding on it.
Oh, dude, this thing's sturdy. See you, Rob.
Oh, I could do this.
Yeah, you got it.
No way. Oh my God. Are you okay?
It's possible. Let's get it.
I had it. Oh, dude, you had it. This is probably Carlos's 4th time ever on a snow skate, and he almost did the ramp, which is really impressive. Oh my God. The falling's much more forgiving than skateboarding, huh?
Better than concrete. Get it. See you, Rob.
Does that count?
No, it does not count.
I have an idea.
While Rob is getting his stuff, let's go explore for a bit. This area is wet. He's down over here. Look at that. Little turtles. Saw it, dude. Got another one. What's up? Shovel time.
Yeah.
Yes, dude. Yes.
Hell yeah. Well, your turn.
All right.
Oh, you had it. I'm surprised you're even launching off of it personally. Oh my God. You okay?
We're good.
Little tube right here. So how was your first time tubing since elementary school?
Oh, dude, a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun.
Think we can hit one of these with the snow skate? All right, so now we're gonna head over to the skate park. We're gonna let Carlos do some flip tricks, or try them. I'll get a kickflip, I promise. Don't pop my tube.
I don't want to pop it.
Oh my God.
All right.
There we go.
All right. All right.
Impressive.
Yeah.
And here we are at the most wonderful place on the planet, Fossil Creek Skate Park.
Yeah. Please don't try this at home.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, dude. I think that counts. Like, look at where your foot has to be for a kickflip. It has to be like back. So if there's anybody in the northern Colorado area that knows how to operate a snow skate really well, leave me a comment. Let's meet up. Let's make a video together and you can make me look like an idiot.
There you go.
Look at that Rob Angel. All right, Carlos, what do you think of the snow skate?
It was pretty fun.
We can do it again?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. All right, let's retreat to warmth. But if you guys are looking for any snow activities to do in Fort Collins, Fossil Creek is the best park to come to. You have a nice skate park for snow skating. You have the gigantic hill at the top where you can tube down or snow skate or snowboard. So don't just stay inside and hibernate all winter. Get out and have fun. Like Carlos. Oh! Dude!
What?
That was awesome. Now, this is the S-Line Soul. Very nice, reliable vehicle. Got plenty of trunk space. So you can fit an inner tube, you can fit a snow skate, you can fit a snow shovel, and you can also fit Carlos. Get in there. If you guys have any other questions about any Kia vehicle, go talk to the Car Experts at I-25 Kia. If you would do me a favor, please like and subscribe and check back soon. Posting content all the time. And stay warm, but don't be afraid to go out in the elements. Bye.